What's going on, everybody? My name is OG Vampire. Today I'm going to be showing you how you could play Remnant from the Ashes on your Epic Games. Some of you may still play it, so I thought this would be very helpful. So what you're going to do is you're going to go from you're going to go for you're going to sign to Epic. It doesn't matter if you're signed in or not, honestly. And then you're going to go to Steam. Now what you're going to do from Steam is you're going to go to Games on the top. Add a non-Steam game to my library. Then you're going to click Browse. From Browse, you're going to go from wherever you installed your Epic Games games. For me, it's the E drive, Epic Games, Games, Remnant from the Ashes, and then click Open on Remnant.exe. Now, after you do that, you're going to go to click Play. It is going to ask you, it's going to close Epic Games. Then you're going to go over to your browser, which should open after you click online. Just give it a few seconds. And then this is going to pop up. Well, it's going to pop up telling you that you can't play online, yada yada. So what you got to do is go to your browser while in windowless mode, and it will make you sign into your Epic Games account. And then from there, you go to your game. And as you can see, we are now able to play said game of Remnant from the Ashes with a controller. If you use DS4 Windows, you could use PS5 controller to Xbox controller. Very loud. Hold on. Turn that off. Turn that down. And then from there, you're now able to play the game with your controller. Yes, I know it's laggy because I have it on. I have browse Chrome open and the game's too high quality. But there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it helped. And I'll see y'all in the next video.